2025 was a big year for Bagua around here. We had the installation of the new circle and practice space in the backyard, and we studied the Gao fire set. The gesture of one hand raised signifies inner equilibrium. When spirit and matter flow together, the power is rooted. What we've been quietly cultivating during the year of the snake, this fusion of wisdom and intuition and experience, will have its moment in the spotlight in this year of the horse. It was a year with some very good training. Especially adding multi-circles was big. We had a lot of fun with it. Then in the fall, Matthew did the first level of Bagua from the ground up, which is an intense training. Research is ongoing.